What are the limits of confidentiality? Have you ever wondered how far confidentiality goes in professional settings? It is a vital topic that touches on ethics and morality. Confidentiality is the promise to keep personal information private. This principle is crucial in fields like therapy, law, and medicine. It helps build trust, allowing individuals to share sensitive details without fear. However, there are limits to this promise, shaped by ethical guidelines and legal rules. Let's break down the ethical principles that guide confidentiality. Autonomy is about respecting individuals' rights to make their own choices. Beneficence means doing good for others, while non-maleficence focuses on avoiding harm. Justice ensures fairness in how information is treated. These principles create a framework for understanding when confidentiality can be broken. Legal requirements also play a role. Many laws protect confidentiality but specify situations where it can be breached. For instance, if someone poses a risk of harm to themselves or others, confidentiality may not apply. In therapy, if a client expresses intentions to harm themselves or someone else, the therapist may need to inform authorities or those at risk. Another important limit is mandatory reporting. Professionals in many areas are required by law to report suspected abuse or neglect. This includes cases involving children, elderly individuals, or dependent adults. The obligation to report can override the duty to maintain confidentiality. In legal contexts, attorneys face similar challenges. If a client plans to commit a serious crime or fraud, the attorney may have to disclose that information. This requirement is designed to prevent harm and uphold justice. Confidentiality can also be affected by third parties. If someone else is present during a confidential conversation, the privilege of confidentiality may not apply. This means that information shared could potentially be disclosed in legal situations. Understanding these limits is essential for professionals. It helps them maintain ethical standards while complying with legal obligations. Clients also benefit from knowing these boundaries, as it allows them to make informed choices about what to share. In the realm of moral psychology, the limits of confidentiality reflected a balance between respecting individual privacy and ensuring safety. Professionals must navigate this balance carefully. They need to consider each situation thoughtfully, ensuring that their actions align with ethical principles and legal requirements. Being transparent about these limits from the start helps build trust and clarifies the boundaries of confidentiality.